Pork is eaten in many parts of the world. It is one of the most consumed meats worldwide. Pigs have been raised and slaughtered since 5000 BC for food consumption. Today we will learn about the pork production process. When pigs arrive at a packing plant, they are unloaded in a calm manner and allowed to rest for a couple of hours prior to slaughter. Pigs are moved in small groups using plastic paddles and sorting boards or curtains. Pigs are commonly stunned using carbon dioxide. Animals are lowered into a chamber that is 90% carbon dioxide stunning or electrical stunning, whereas cattle are stunned using captive bolts. Stunning renders an animal insensitive to pain and unconscious instantly. This must be done before slaughter occurs. The carcasses are put into a hot water bath to loosen hair follicles. After that, the carcasses are put into a machine that tumbles them to remove the hair. This does not cause any bruising because the blood has already been removed from the pig during the bleeding step. Then for a while the pig was burned into the fire so that the water of the pig's skin dries up and except for is burned. automatic robot cut their rear end. Another arm of this robot pulls out the pig's genital, which you can see on the screen. Factory workers took out all the organs from the inside of the pigs. The organs are washed by the workers and hung on the hooks. Remove the head. Cut into half. The pork carcasses are gutted and split in half and then sent through the rabbit chill at very cold temperatures, from -4 to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, to improve meat quality. The side of the pork is broken down into sub-primers from the four primers: pork shoulder, pork leg, pork loin, and pork belly. The pork is flat by applying pressure, and then the pork is addressed on the line by the worker.